Oh, welcome to the Camp-N-Hoosiers. Today we are going to take a look at the 2205S at Wana RV Center at 1180 North Van Buren Street, Shipshewana, Indiana. Phone number is 260-768-4165. And this unit that we're looking at has the Mini Lite Standard Package D on it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow. Thank you. Now here we have a 2025 2205S Rockwood Mini Lite. The exterior storage here is locked. You have your water fill there for your tanks. You got your Dexter Torsal axles with your Goodyear Endurance tires. Water heater, 30 amp power connection, and then you have your city water, your tank flush, and then your RV analyte and your cable satellite gizmos. And you got your sewer connections right there. On the back side of the camper, you got your ladder, your spare tire cover, 300-pound limit on that hitch. Perfect for your bikes. And that Wana RV, that looks like they everything comes with a slide topper on it. Then you have your front fiberglass nose, your windshield, your docking lights, your plastic rock guard. You have room for 2 lead-acid batteries and 2 30-gallon propane tanks. This one has a power tongue jack with a light. This camper has the PS2 power stabilizers on it. And you have your campsite here, a couple speakers, your vent, a little tray for a table, another outlet, then your TV, furnace exhaust. You got your stairs that are strut assisted. You have a low point drain back here and another switch for your rear stabilizers, and you have a step light. And that's the exterior of the 2205S. We'll see what's going on the inside now.
Alright, let's check it out. So when you first come in, you have a cabinet right away. And these are removable shelves, so that's pretty good size actually. And you have your refrigerator, and it does open from both sides. And then of course the pull open freezer with the drawers on top there. All right. And then you have your fuse box, and then the bathroom.
You didn't clean it?
No, it looks like there's the griddle that comes with the camper, and then you have your porcelain foot pedal, yes, and then you have the cabinet inside of here. It's not over.
That's a linen pantry.
It's not like overly big, but you can put some towels and stuff in there. Get some shampoo and whatever.
Ah, I see. There's the fajita, the Friday fajita fart fighting fan.
Yes, they do have that. And then you have a medicine cabinet over here. And then this is pretty nice. And then I don't know if I can open this or not.
Oh, we can't see.
There's not really like a lot of space down there.
Does this have the Ebenezer Scrooge water system on it?
It does have the water miser on there. So yeah, that I believe turns white when it's hot. Then over here we have the kitchen, and of course you have your one sink here.
They call those farm sinks.
Farm sink. There you go. It's pretty deep, so you have that.
Down on the farm.
Yeah. And then you just have like your silverware, lots of drawers, and then this one is a pretty good size, and so is this one. And then you have for your sponges. And your 3-burner stove. And of course it's got the, let's see if I can do it without, okay, I did it. Alright, with your backsplash there. And for your knives to go back there. And the oven. Yep, that's pretty good size. Whoops. Got a little extra side table right here to put something for a little more countertop space if you're, you know, have like more appliances. You have a little extra over here with a little cubby. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah. And then there also is a plug and the fireplace right there. And then of course, this is where you mount your TV. Then over here, we have, you know, of course we have the bed. And then here is one of the wardrobe closets to hang stuff in. You have a little thing to hang it up. And I do believe these are the, what do you call that? Where they stay up in place? I don't know. Anyways, it's soft close again. Plugs on both sides. Oh, and you do have the reading lights on both sides. Oh.
Not that she reads.
Did I pull this drawer out? Anyways, there's this drawer. A little, like, whatever. You do have storage under this bed, which is pretty good size. Like that. And then, of course, you got more drawers down here. Let's see if I can get it. Yep.
Some socks in there.
Yep, socks or underwear, whatever.
Underwear.
Yeah, underwear. And then, of course, over here, we have the theater seating and the telescopic...
The table things.
For the tables to, you know, sit there. I'm not sure where those are at this moment, but yeah. And then for that, you also have your... You can charge something right there. It's got a little wireless thing. And some
cubby
space. And
more
then,
cupboards above.
Yeah. I'm just gonna
have your blackout shades.
Yep. And those are the soft close.
You got your little light there. Looks like there's an extra on-off switch for the light right there.
Yep. We don't have any power, so.
Over here you have a USB port.
Are these the lights that you can turn on and off?
Yeah, you gotta push the little button in the center.
Okay.
Josh never shows the little button.
But yeah, we don't. I want to make sure to mention that. And then your AC.
30 amp, 15,000 BTU AC.
And then, is this the thermostat?
Yeah, that would be the thermostat, yes.
Yeah.
And the WeRV panel would be over here along with your solar charger. And that's a look at the
2205S.
Alright, thank you for watching.
Bye.
Well, thank you for watching our tour of the 2205S Rockwood Mini Lite at Wana RV. Now at Wana RV, your LP tanks are standard full of gas. You get a 12-volt battery and roughly an hour walk through on the camper with you and answer any questions. Once again, this camper's at Wana RV in Shipshewana, Indiana. Thank you for watching. If you've made this far, please like and subscribe. Thank you.